This recognition is very important for ForSight Robotics. It reaffirms and validates our approach to making eye restoring surgeries more accessible, more scalable, and more precise for patients worldwide through robotic innovation. Today, there are over 2 billion people who are vision impaired, and that creates a yearly $3 trillion economic burden. And we just don't have enough surgeons to cater to this massive amount of patients. So at ForSight, we have developed a robotic platform called JASPER that augments surgeons' capabilities and gives them the ability to do many more procedures, but in a very accurate way. And we are starting with cataract, which is one of the most common procedures in all of medicine. I'll never forget the first time I did surgery on a human patient. Looking into the eye, seeing the elegance of that organ, but also how delicate it is, and the immense precision that is needed to do the perfect surgery. At that time, figuring out that millions of patients are losing their sight and don't have accessibility to the best possible outcomes. And throughout my residency in ophthalmic surgery, I got questions from family, patients, who is the best surgeon? Am I giving the best care? Can I refer to the best surgeons? And as an engineer, I knew there has to be a better way to do this procedure. I was familiar with robotic technology. I saw the potential of solving the need on a macro level, so making eye surgery more accessible, but also on a micro level, making the procedure more precise. And I reached out to my two co-founders who are world experts in robotic surgery, and we looked on all the innovation, all the breakthroughs that happened in the last 5 years. And once we understood that we can utilize micromechanics, best-in-class visualization, and AI into one platform, that was the moment that all the stars aligned, and we started ForSight Robotics, and we understood that this technology called JASPER, our robotic platform, can make a long-lasting impact on the field of ophthalmology, but most importantly, on patients' life through sight-restoring surgery. Going into medical school, I was already an engineer, so I was driven by technology and looking at all the specialties in medicine. The eye really captivated me. The intricate physics of light transforming into photons and signals to the brain is really fascinating. And on the other hand, the size of the organ, the delicate and precision that it's needed, really that challenge is also really inspiring. But what eventually really drove me to this field is seeing patients coming nearly blind to an eye surgery and then walking out, being able to see again their kids, their family, going back to their day-to-day. That's really an inspirational goal and a worthy cause and a mission that I really related to. I understood that there's a limitation to the amount of surgeries that a single surgeon can do throughout their careers and throughout their lifetime. And when we understood that the path to being able to scale very precise surgeries to many millions of patients, that was when we understood that we have this calling of transforming the field of eye surgery through robotic innovation. This round is very exciting for us. This is a $128 million B round that was led by Eclipse Ventures. This is actually the second largest B round in surgical robotics history. And it brings us to a total funding of $200 million. And it's exciting for two main reasons. First one is that it will take our JASPER robotic platform all the way through regulatory approvals and early commercialization. And the second reason is that there's no robotic platform today on the field of eye surgery. And this is first of its kind. So we're very excited about this immense opportunity to bring such a technology to the hundreds of millions of patients that need it. Our JASPER technology was designed from the ground up to really curate the needs of our field. 2/3 of eye surgeons suffer from musculoskeletal issues, and 15% of all surgeons terminate their career due to poor ergonomics. With our JASPER technology, we are addressing the ergonomic issue firsthand and delivering superb ergonomics. The other issue is precision, but in every case, so robust precision that could be scalable for every patient. And we get that through the computing power and visualization coupled with the precision of the micromechanics. Harnessing this technology is not just about being able to be very precise. We understood, even before starting ForSight, that it's not about technology, it's about building a product that will go into the operating room and will benefit surgeons, nursing staff, and first and foremost, the patient. From day one, we joined Dr. Fred Moll, founder of Intuitive Surgical and Norris Health, to our board as a board member and one of our investors. We joined Ronnie Abovich as a strategic advisor. Ronnie is the founder of Surgical, now part of Stryker. And my co-founder, Professor Moshe Shoham, is the founder of ForSight Robotics, which is now part of Medtronic. And really having these capabilities, the three founders that changed the field of robotic medical surgery, that's what gives us the ability to move fast and bring an actual product to the market that hopefully will benefit millions of patients. I'm most excited about the new frontier that we've opened up. We recently completed, for the first time in history, a full robotic cataract surgery in a human patient. This is a huge milestone for ForSight Robotics, but an amazing milestone for the field of ophthalmology. I'm excited about the very near future that patient will be able to get timely care, but will get it with the best possible outcomes. That's really what we as a company, the whole team, are dedicating day and night to make possible for the future of eye care.